Hello, welcome to week 11 in human development and educational psychology. I hope that you had an opportunity to complete your Keirsey sorter last week, and hopefully you get a chance to better understand your personality and how it might fit in your future career or in teaching. So I'll get those back to you in the next couple of days. But this week we're going to be working on a task analysis, and so hopefully you'll have a chance to read in the chapter on chapter 8 to better learn about what a task analysis is. And it's right here if you'll watch the videos if you haven't yet and read the chapter. It talks about 3 different types of task analyses. And so you'll also have these videos from your peers to watch, one on Bloom's taxonomy, which is important, especially if you're going into teaching, but there's definitely some information that you'll need to know from that. The textbook does talk somewhat about it, but you'll just need to know a little more information. And then also learning about constructivism from your peers. So activity 3 asks you to create a task analysis in a group. So you are assigned a group, and in your group you have one of several Google Docs, and you can access the folder here, the class assignments, and your individual Google Docs are here. And so what you need to do within your group is to first find your group here. So they're all listed here. And so what you'll do in your group is decide which type of task analysis you want to create. You don't have to create 3 different types, just choose one of the 3 and then work together to create that step-by-step analysis. So it can be tying your shoe, making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, creating a Google slide presentation, whatever you decide to do within your group. And then they'll make that step-by-step analysis. And then at the end of the week, each person needs to download that as a PDF and then upload it here to this folder. So all you have to do is just work together to complete it. If you have group members who aren't contributing, then go ahead and work through it on your own, or let me know if they're not contributing. And I can reassign different people in the group. So just start working on it, and then at the end of the week, just upload it here. So it's a pretty simple task, and you can see the rubric here. So just make sure that you have a lot of detail to explain it and interpret the information from the book, whether you choose to do a behavioral analysis or whatever, and then just make sure you don't have any errors in spelling and grammar. So it should be a pretty easy grade for all of you. If you have questions, again, just post them in the class discussion board. Thanks.